When you're in the patient browser, you can click on a patient name to see a snapshot of the patient file on the right-hand side of the screen. This snapshot is going to give information such as the patient's first and last name, their date of birth and age, as well as some contact information. The patient's primary method of contact is going to be highlighted by this star. From this snapshot, we can also see the patient's primary provider as well as their default location. Over on the right-hand side, we do have a patient summary for their balance, and you can see if this is in red, this means that the patient has an outstanding balance to the clinic. If this is green, it means the patient has a $0 balance or a credit on their account. Further down, we can see the patient's mailing address and their email address if there's one on file. And we have a patient note here as well. To edit or add a patient note, we can go up to the patient drop-down menu and select Edit Note. From here, we can add additional information or change the color of the note. Once the changes have been made, go ahead and hit the Save button. Lastly, in the snapshot, we can see the patient's insurance information. This is going to be denoted by a green sticker. If you hover over this particular payer information, you'll get the payer mailing, telephone, and fax number on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have.